Hello everyone, welcome to the SkillFusion Academy. I'm Sakibul Hassan, I'll be one of your mentors here. I've been working in the tech industry for last 15 years. Right now, I'm working as a senior data architect in a renowned company. And I'm here to share my last 15 years of experience with you all. So in my last 15 years, I have learned one thing very well. It is love your work and not trust your company. Yes, you heard it right. Don't trust your company. You should definitely love your co-workers, try to help them build a network because that's really important. You cannot proceed your career without the help of them. But one thing is that never ever trust a company because when a company needs you, they will give everything to get you. But when they don't need you, they will just throw you away. They will give you the golden handshake. I would say golden kick on the tooth. So how can you make sure you are always useful to the company? Because that's the only thing that you can do to yourself to make sure you are valuable to the company. The important thing that you can do to yourself is to always get a new skill. Yes, you heard it right. Suppose you are a front-end developer. You know Angular, React very well. And you're thinking about, should I learn Vue.js? Now the question is that, what do you want to see yourself in next 10 years? You may want to be a manager. You may want to lead a team. Or maybe you want to be an entrepreneur and you want to build your own product. To do all of this, you need to have some kind of knowledge for the whole application. So now let's see, what do we need to build an application? We need to build a UI, so we need UI designer. We build the UI, then we need to develop the UI. For that we need a front-end developer. After that we need a back-end developer to feed the data. And then to store the data we need a database designer or database architect or database engineer to build and manage the database. And after that you also need a DevOps engineer to make sure your application is up and running in the cloud, on-prem or in a data center. Back to you. You are a front-end developer and you want to add a new skill. So if you actually learn a little bit of all other four pieces, which is a web designing, back-end, database engineering, and also like the DevOps, then you will know how to build an application. You don't need to be a pro on everything, but you can learn a little bit of everything to get an idea how these things work, how these things mingle with each other. So when you actually gain those things, you can actually manage a team properly. You can also design the system so you can actually understand how to design the whole architecture and how all the things coexist. And if you have entrepreneurship vibe, you can definitely build a product and you can actually choose the right team to build the product. So that's important. That's why we built SkillFusion Academy to help people, to help you guys. SkillFusion, I have brought some of my experienced colleagues and friends who is in the industry for several years, and together we will build several courses. Now the question is that, is it going to be another course you find in the YouTube? No. In the YouTube you find mostly like theoretical stuff or like pet project. Here we will try to build a course which will be short in length. It should be in length of 1 to 2 hours. But we make sure after you finish a course, you learn a skill, you gain a specific skill, you manage to actually get something which satisfies you. Maybe you manage to deploy your application in the cloud, or maybe you manage to do any stuff. Oh, by the way, by the term of skill, we're not only saying that you can gain a coding skill. You can also get some life skill, like maybe how to start your woodworking hobby, or maybe like how to be an electrician and change the light switch, or maybe how to start the gardening. So this will be also a part of the courses. So it would be a fun to learn those skills and add it in your basket. So yeah, enough talking. I would like to see you in the other side where I'll be with my friends to mentor you. Oh yeah, and one more important thing. If you are a pro who knows a skill very well, we're looking for you. We believe you want to actually spread the goodness to the world. We believe you want to teach people what you learn. Please feel free to contact us at skillfusion.org@gmail.com. We'd love to collaborate with you. That's it for today. Catch you in a new course, learning a new skill. Take care.